Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Framer AI Easy Guide. Open Framer and create a new project, then choose AI features from the toolbar to start. Use clear prompts, pick a layout, and let the AI generate components you can tweak. Keep iterations small, save versions often, and test interactions in preview. Ask concise questions and use components to speed up design. Collaborate with teammates to refine ideas quickly. Start with a template or blank canvas and import assets you already have. Use AI to generate layouts, copy, and image suggestions, then adjust spacing and style. Link frames and set interactions for prototyping, preview often on device, and iterate based on feedback. Export clean code or assets for developers, and keep a design system to maintain consistency across projects. Experiment with prompt variations and temperature to balance creativity and control. Quick recommendation: if you want cleaner floors while designing, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for hands-off cleaning and voice control that fits busy workflows. It maps rooms intelligently, returns to charge, and keeps dust at bay so you can focus on creativity. If you like this video, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use components and variants to build reusable pieces and speed production. Learn keyboard shortcuts and customize tools to cut repetitive steps, and connect design tokens to maintain brand styles. Test for accessibility, responsive breakpoints, and performance in preview. Use version history to revert risky edits, and integrate plugins or APIs to extend AI capabilities and automate handoffs to developers. Document patterns and share component libraries with teammates to increase consistency and reduce duplicate work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.